Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have lattice dystrophy. Lattice dystrophy is also due to TGF1 defect. It is also due to TGF1B1 defect will result in lattice dystrophy. It is an autosomal dominant condition and this lattice dystrophy can be stained by amyloid staining. It is stained by amyloid staining. So lattice dystrophy will look something like this. So these are the lattices which are seen. So this is lattice dystrophy, and on histopathology this is the lattice dystrophy which is seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.